In today's video, I am going to teach you how to hide products on Shopify. This is useful when you want to temporarily remove items from your store without deleting them, such as seasonal products, items that are out of stock, or listings you are still working on. Start by opening your Shopify admin. From your main dashboard, go to the left-hand menu and click Products. This takes you to the full list of products in your store, where you can hide a single item or update several at once. If you want to hide multiple products quickly, find the products you want to remove from view and select the checkbox next to each one. Once you have made your selections, look near the top of the list for additional actions. Depending on your Shopify layout, you will either see a three dots menu or you will see a bulk edit option. Click the three dots menu or click bulk edit, whichever is available for you. In the drop-down actions, choose Set as Inactive or Archive Product. Either option will prevent those products from appearing as active listings in your store. Archiving is especially helpful when you are done selling an item, but want to keep its information for reference later. If you prefer to manage products one at a time, or if you want to be very specific with a single listing, click directly into the product you want to hide. Inside the product page, scroll until you find the product status section. This area controls whether the product is visible and available. Change the status from active to draft or archived. Draft is a good choice when you plan to bring the product back soon or you are still editing it. Archived is better when you want to fully retire the product from active selling while keeping the record in your admin. Finally, click Save to apply your changes. A quick tip is to double-check that you saved before leaving the page, especially if you edited multiple items, so the status change actually takes effect. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.